Today I want to show you some exercises that are fun to isolate, okay? So let's check it out. First thing, this is my assistant, Camille. You guys probably seen it before from previous videos. And this is just about the arms and the shoulders, keeping it in the right angle, okay? I'm going to do this first one slowly. Let's check it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so it's just a 1-8 count. Quickly going to rewind it. So basically, I'm holding my elbow here. You can see Camille. This is a better angle. 90 degree right here. My elbows are my arms straight down here. Forearms going straight. Right on the 1. Boom! I'm moving like a 45 or 90 degrees straight up. Okay, so my elbow and shoulders are perfectly aligned. That's my 1. And right on the 2. Slow-mo right here. And 2 right there. Okay, rewind it a little bit. So here's the 4 speed. 2 is this way. Okay, and again, Camille's learning it for the first time. She probably just seen it once, maybe a few minutes prior to this. So she's learning it with you guys. Okay, I want you guys to check it out. So on the 2, my elbows, or I'm rotating my shoulders, and my hands are coming down. Boom, that's my 2. Right on the 3. Right on the 3, my elbows going to the side, so you can see right here. 3. Again, this is a 90-degree movement. Okay, 3, and then 4. 4. The elbows drop. Boom. Okay. So everything's isolated. So this angle stays the same. Yeah. Okay. So and we repeat that. 5. Again, that's the same. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So we just did it to the beat. Now, if you're practicing at home, you don't really need the beat for now. Okay, just learn the movement, learn how to isolate. All right. But once you get that, we're moving it to tempo, just a little bit faster. Check it out. Here we go. This is Camille and I trying to do both arms at the same time. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. So for this part, I think most of you will be able to get this pretty quickly. Now the tough part now is we're gonna isolate them. What does that mean? So what I'm doing is I'm gonna start with my right arm first. Okay. So let's just check out the next video. I think you guys are gonna understand better if you just watch what's going on. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so what happened was I started my right arm. My right arm is doing the exact same thing as what I did before, but the left arm, this is my left arm, even though this is mirrored, this looks like the right side, but it's like the left arm, it is delayed by 1. So the left arm actually starts on the 2. The movements are the same, but I start on the 2 versus the 1. Okay, let's watch that one more time. Here we go. 1. So right on 2, here's 2. You see that? So right on 1, here's 1. 1 goes up, the right hand goes, and the left hand is delayed. Okay, left hand doesn't start on the 1, it starts on the 2. So right on 2, there's my movement on 2. Okay, and then moving forward, this is 3. Boom, that's 3. Camille did a great job right there. And also, the reason why I say this is an isolation move is because look, the head, the body, the legs not doing anything. We're only focusing on holding our position, making sure that this is a nice right angle. Everything is in a perfect 90 degree. Okay, so moving forward, I believe this is 3. Okay, 3 right there, and then 4. All right, they move together, synchronous, and then 5, 6, 7. Okay, or that's 8. Sorry, that's 8. Okay. Let's watch that one more time, tempo. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so that's quite fast. So when you first start, obviously you could try to half speed. Once you get it, you're gonna go tempo. All right. So once you have that, the next fun exercise is we're gonna delay by 2. What does that mean? Well, I'm gonna show you. Here we go. Slow. 1, 2, 3. You see how right on the 3, the left hand will go. I'm going to rewind this just one more time, and you guys watch the whole thing. Here we go. Slow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, so I think hopefully you understand what I was talking about. So this is the exercise we're trying to do. And once you get that, let's see if we can do it tempo, at speed, okay? With Camille and I. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. So of course, every time you practice something new, it's going to be a little bit difficult because your body's not used to it for the first time. But after you go over and over again, the body will remember it, okay? All right, moving forward now, we delay by 1, delay by 2, now we're going to delay by 3. Let's check it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah. All right, so that's delay by 3. And let's see if we can do it tempo. Here we go. Try it with us if you can, okay? 1, 2, 4, 5, 6. So it gets a little bit confusing if you the first few times you try it, but don't give up, okay? This is just some fun exercise that I learned from a good friend of mine a long time ago. His name's Tetsudo, and thank you for showing me that, and I'm able to show everybody else that as well. All right, so let's check this out. Once you have that, all right, one of the things you could do is, instead of delaying the left hand, now you can delay the right hand. Okay, this is just some fun stuff if you want to get creative with it. Now, one other thing you could do is reverse the direction. Reverse it. So what does that look like? Check this out. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So notice the path that I took, right? Before the 1, our elbows, our hands going straight up. Now this way, we're reversing, we're going the opposite way. We're going, the elbows going back to the side, right? Reverse, 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 reverse. So we're doing that for an entire 8 count, all right? So let's try it tempo. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. One of the things you might notice is that after you've done the previous exercise where you train your body to go forward, now training to go backwards, it's a little bit more challenging. But I think it's a fun exercise to do. And when I first started dancing, I really had a good time doing this. So let's give it a try. All right. So here we go. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. Good. Now, a little bit more challenging. We're gonna delay. All right. We're gonna delay. I think we're delaying the left side by 1. Left side, right side. I forgot which one. Here we go. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so I was right. We are delaying the left side by 1. Notice how right on the 1, right? So the right side goes first. Right on the 2. Boom, that's 2. The right arm continues, the left side starts, okay? So let's finish that. 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, so we finished that. Ooh, so it definitely gets more challenging. Let's try this tempo. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, it's definitely a brain teaser. Camille, you did a great job. Even getting to this far is very tough. I want to say most of the students were still stuck on going forward, and just delaying by 1 is kind of tricky. Camille, great job. She was able to go forward real well, and now she's able to do backwards, and backwards delay, definitely really hard. Okay, so moving on, we're gonna delay by 2. All right, we're gonna go slow. Here we go. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And you can tell me as well. I'm just really concentrating. So you definitely need to concentrate when we get to moves like this. All right. So this is probably the last one. We're going to go tempo, delay by 2, go in reverse. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So yeah, that's it. And of course, you guys could delay by 3 again, so you guys could know the different combinations. In this video, we're only delaying the left arm, but again, the option is for you to delay the right arm and start with the left arm instead. All right. So hopefully you guys have fun. This is a good little drill that I learned long time ago, and I think you know, it just helped me to just focus on isolating and getting different parts of the body to move differently with the other parts of the body, so it doesn't feel so weird. First time obviously gonna be weird, but give it a try. Hopefully you guys have fun with it. If you like this video, definitely hit the like button, subscribe, share it, do all that good stuff for me. I appreciate it, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.